Hello, I'm going to show our AT1 asset tracker for you. This is our standard AT1. Let's open it. This is the device. This AT1 asset tracker with strong magnet. You can move it. This is the charger. This is the charging cable. You also can use this cable to change the parameter. This is the user menu. And this is screw. You can put it on this hole. Now let's insert the SIM card on the AT1 asset tracker. Then let's press the SOS button. The device will be opened. Now you can see the light, so the device can work at this moment.